Hello everyone, warm welcome to the Art of Public Speaking course. I'm Professor Sivakumar, BTech in Automobile Engineering, ME in Energy Engineering, 1 year of industrial experience and 23 plus years of teaching experience. Already 6 batches of open elective courses in Art of Public Speaking I have completed. If you ask, is speaking an art? Then I will say definitely yes. Speaking is an art, especially when it comes to a presentation, when you convince a group of people, when you talk to a large audience, and when you hold a mic, and when you present yourself in front of others on a stage, when thousands of eyes are staring at you, you need to have this skill. Your presence of mind, your articulation skills, your modulation of your delivery skills, and everything contributes to a better speaker. So during this course, you will learn how to convince others, how to use your body language, and you will experience the others are listening to you throughout the session because you are making it very interesting and you don't let others' attention go away from you. So these are all the possibilities. So I have already handled 6 batches, and you are going to be the seventh batch. You will definitely experience a better communication skills because once you learn the art of speaking, no matter where you speak, you will speak such that everybody will listen to you. And the most important tip to make the speaking interesting is the style of speaking. It is very important how you speak than what you speak. So, always the content has limited scope and your style has the maximum scope in every occasion of public speaking. To name few: public speaking, debating, a formatted formal speaking, addressing in a program as a chief guest, and introduce someone, and being a master of ceremony like anchoring a program. So all will have different shades of speaking. Happy learning. Catch you soon in the class. All the best. Thank you. I'm eagerly waiting to meet you all. Thank you.